Nail knot's holding true, as you can see, and I'm really testing it here on this Speedster. These fish are known to bend the rod and fight really hard, and that's why I wanted to come out and test it at this location. Perfect way to test the knot out. My new nail knot I just tie with my nail knot tying tool by HookEze. Let's have a look at this fish. Hope it stays on. Woo! What do we got? What do we have here? Little GT, is it, or Queenie? Little GT. There we go. On surface, late afternoon bite. Gotta love that. Here we go, there's me fish. How good? Guys, I'm really stoked with that. It's got this GT on top water. Fantastic, perfect time of day for it. Lots of flow now. And there's my nail knot that I tie with my HookEze nail knot tying tool. Well, I wanted to bring it here to this location, catch a fish, because these fish, GTs and Queenies, which is what I'm targeting today, are renowned to really fight hard, fight dirty, peel the drag. As you could see, it was peeling string there, and the nail knot held true. So fantastic, the tool works, the knot works. I'm very happy about it. You!